If you want to create a product sidebar with the search or price or rating, category, tag, and more informations, so Husky is one of the easiest way to free plugin to use. In this guide, I will show you how to install it, set up it, and understand its very actually every important option in the filter settings. Okay, so previously before I beginning the video, imagine so neat panel on on the left side on your shop page. It contain that search box, price range, that could be rating, filter, product category, tag, everything. This kind of informations are available in from the left side, so that actually everything looks clean and modern, right? So every simple to use, and shopper can instantly filter product without scrolling through hundred of items. So that's exactly what we will build today, and it takes only few minutes. Okay, that would be done. Okay, so first a quick recommendation to Husky. Husky is actually today actually use Husky plugin, that is Husky Husky plugin. So these are the plugin Husky. This is a product filter professional WordPress e-commerce website plugin, and it's actually allowed to create a filter, price filter, rating filter, search box, and more without any coding. Okay, you just install and activate and select where you actually want to display, and that's it. So how to install Husky? Go to your WordPress panel, and here I'm going to jump to the plugin section, and here going to add a plugin, and here you will search Husky. So these are the name of the plugin, and here you will just type the name of the plugin Husky. It's already been activated in my website, and you just click the activate, and after activate this one, you will just go to activate it, and you will just go to WooCommerce and going to settings. And actually here you will see a panel where you can choose the filter or you want to show you on your website. Select the option, that is here this one is product filter, and yeah, so these are the options. So here actually I actually wanted to actually show you explain you what actually say at least this area. Okay, so these are actually the pricing main filter of choice, including like Husky filter main structure. So if, when you what kind of informations you actually want to show on your website, so you have to enable this that options first. So these are the main choice of these are the main choice from the structure. So these are the search by price. You can filter product by price range. So and another is author is it's actually very useful. So it actually provide have author or multiple vendors, like that gonna be you have multiple vendors, and each vendors have multiple products. So your customer or your shopper wanted to a specific vendor product, so you can filter it very easily with free. And this is a stock. In a stock, it will show only a stock product, available product. It will show this on sale product, and it actually show the discount or promotional items. And it actually this a rating filter, actually the customer star rating that will show. And these are the search by text. So that's actually important. I have already showing over here search. I don't need I don't need actually the price stock, and these products are not pricing, have not price. It's actually inquiry product. That's why that has not product rate or review system. That's why I'm not displaying that one. And these are the important. This is search by simply any keyword. You can search Angel AN. Any customer or shopper can search by AN only. It will show the Angel AN all those products. Okay, and then some of extra filter is custom one. This is a Husky give you extra filter section such as brand, then product category, tag. Here I have already shown the tag, but in each every product I don't set any tag. That's why it's not showing any tag options over here. but you can say, you can show on your tag. And the speciality of this option, that is if you want to show the category by it will be checking or checkbox or drop down, and if you select this drop down, it will show the drop down option. Okay, so here that could be that, imagine that is that drop down will be like this. So like after clicking this drop down, it will appear the all of category. So that's actually show that actually will be uh, this drop down. So these are radio option, multiple checkout, drop down, multiple drop downs, so levels, radio. So and these are advanced features. So these are the main structure of control what filter appear on your site and how they actually display. Okay, so that's the everything done. So what actually need, I have already need the product category and product tag. That's it. I don't want to show extra stuff, just clicking the save changes. After saving the information, you can use the shortcode. You can use the shortcode, and if you have widget option, like going to appearance and going to widget, if you have this widget option, just clicking this widget, and here automatically I will doing the stuff. Like if you don't have this widget option, I have already made a video here that where I'm sure that how to register the widget. So you can check out the video if you don't have actual widget, so you can watch the video. Okay, so now what you're gonna do here, I will just click the I will just what I will do, just here I will just click delete one, this one here just showing the sidebar option and this plus icon. Here I will type the husky the product filter, and it will show everything over here. So here has settings, here actually some of settings to control the how to filter form looks like, refresh or refresh behavior or etc. So here the title actually, so this title here actually showing the title is product search, what actually you want to show, that would be anything, and that redirect to, that is redirect to. So if you want to filter the result to open another page, you can select this one. And these are the hide search from bar, this one, that keep in the entire keep the entire filter hidden at first and only show it when it button is clicked. Okay, and this is dynamic reconnect, it's the default. Keep it default because it show the number. You can show 12 number, you can show dynamic count, actually dynamic count. You can show yes or no, it will show 12 or what actually shows everything. And auto submit, it actually instant filtering. So as soon as possible, as soon as actually user selecting something, the product listing automatically update. So okay, so this is submit button. The submit button will choose where the submit reset button will appear, like this one. This here actually show the reset button when something user wanted to customize it. Here has Ajax option, Ajax like hide the filter some small screen. So that's actually so not so reload, so Ajax actually the reload filter actually without reloading any page. And this one actually the mobile responsive, and this which screen actually want to show. So mobile actually in mobile you want to show or not, that's the settings. So all of settings is done. You just click the update button and it's done. Now the step 3 is step 3. I'm just going to where actually wanted to show. So in the meantime, I actually give you a recommendation, that is if you wanted to site very fast and smooth, hosting your website is great choice. So it's beginner friendly and optimized for WordPress, and it's perfect for online store. I personally recommend it. You will notice faster and loading instantly. So you can use my affiliate link, you will get bulk discount in my affiliate link, like 20% discount. So you can grab the opportunity. You don't this kind of opportunity, you can get any kind of discount code from on internet. So in my in my affiliate link, you will get some bonus or discount. So why you are not using my affiliate link? This is actually a win-win situation, right? So okay, let's go back to our video. So the last part, the rest of the last part will be what actually show. This is a template, and going to the theme builder, I'm just leaving from here. So showing part is very show it inside on your product page. So here I'm going to just clicking this product archive, yes, this one are product archive, and click edit, and here you will just click add new, and here the very easy step. And if you want to use Elementor, you can create a new page, or you can use your theme builder where actually you want to place. So that's it. Okay, so here we will create a container to a step one will be sidebar container, and right side will be the main container. Okay, so actually this page are loading, I'm just waiting. All right, the product page is showing over here. Here what you're gonna do, I have already created a two container. That's very easy, and what you're gonna do, just click plus icon and click this flex box, and here I'm selecting this one. And from the left side, what you're gonna just click plus icon, and here you will search sidebar, this sidebar, and drag and drop it over here, and select the sidebar widget, and it will show the all step. Okay, so yeah, these are the all step, and you can use on your website. So this video actually was very kind of long, because I have trying to detail about Husky, because Husky has some settings, so you have to know about this. So Husky makes a product filtering surprisingly very easy, and you can add price here, price, rating, product tags, and search box, brand, and more, and all without paying anything, any code, any actually free. Your visitor will find a product faster, and your website will look very professional. So if you want a more WordPress Elementor WooCommerce tutorial, stay tuned actually with the W3 Army. So Faisal Jaman is sign out.